Here I have to calculate total and average sales amount for each region. We have this sales log array of object, and we have to get the output something like this. With every region, its total and its average. Talking about steps, that will be first. We have to group by this region. Group by region. Second step will be we can do this logic here only. When we do group by region, we can like do sum of like total, and we can't do average here, so we can use like count how many times this north will appear, so we can divide that total with that count. Then second step will be so you can also do that like count in second step if you want to like go step by step, but I can like do total and group by region, and the total and count will be in the first step only. Then second step will be calculating average by dividing this total by count. That will be calculate average average. Let's create one function. Name will be calculate average. Calculate total and average. Total and average. It will take this sales log. That will be our data. Step 1 will be grouped by region. Data dot reduce function accumulator. What key need? We need region. We don't need product for this calculation, so let's use that region and amount only. Accumulate a region. So here we can put condition like if accumulator and a region, for this region we have data or not for in this object. So first iteration there is no data, so first iteration we do accumulator region is equal to, for first time we pass total property value amount, and the count value initially 0 1. Yes, count value initially we do 1, and initially total will be this amount. Then return that like object with, so first north, for north it will add amount 1200 and count will be 1. So second time there will be some data, so it will skip that, and we can use here else also, that will be more good. And here we can do accumulator region is equal to, we can do total, we can access total because we have already here previous property access. Then we can do total is equal to, we can access previous value then do total to another amount. Similar for count. count count that will be increased by 1 every time. You can use shorthand method plus or equal to, so we don't have to write this. Then we return. After all the things done, we can return and we can get here. If we do console.log group by region, we can see accumulator not defined. Yes, accumulator. We have total 2100 and count is a 3 for everything, every region. So we got the total, as you can see, everything as expected, but we need average of for like we have to replace this average for this count. So what we can do, in second step we calculate the average. Const calculate average is equal to, we can use this previous key to access that value. Object dot keys can pass that, can perform that keys array of keys. We can perform reduce on that keys. So we receive key here and initial accumulated object, that key we receive, and we access this object using key every iteration. That will be every iteration new data array of object inside property, this total and count key. So we receive this, and what we have to return, we have to return total and average. So total would be, let's create one object. Total will be group key dot total and average will be this average. We have to use this total for average and divide by, you can store this in variable and you can write direct that variable here. We have to divide that count. I hope it's visible. So count, then we have to return accumulator. Now we can get that output if we have to like return this calculate average. Now console.log that return result, that will be calculate average. As you can see, 700, 6.3, 33, 168.33. We can use dot to fix, or we can use math.floor here for average. How many minutes? 9 minutes. Math dot floor. Let's see. Yes, we got that. Can use dot to fixed, that will be 2. Now we receive the same output as we expected. 20, 100, 190, 505, 700, 63, but there is no 33 because we did math.floor. Let's remove that and do number. we already did dot to fixed, yes. And let's see first without like maths.floor. So yes, now it's working. What we can do is we can convert this into number. Let's see, we have to use another bracket for that. Now everything fine, yes. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you.